Kaged Muscle uses fermented and vegan sources of amino acids in our products, which should leave many of you asking, what is amino acid fermentation? Fermentation is a natural metabolic process and takes place when an organism converts a carbohydrate, such as a starch or sugar, into an alcohol or acid. People have used fermentation to make products like wine or cheese long before the process was even understood. For example, yeast ferments sugar to produce alcohol, and bacteria ferments carbohydrate to produce lactic acid. Fermentation is used to produce many products such as wine, beer, yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, and sports nutritional products like amino acids. The fermentation process takes place in a sterile lab and is carried out in large tanks called fermenters or bioreactors. The entire process, known as cultivation, is continuously monitored through the technologically advanced fermentation and extraction processes. The fermentation method of amino acid production capitalizes on the phenomenon that microorganisms convert nutrients to various vital factors that they need. To produce Kaged Muscle's fermented amino acids, raw plant materials are used and added to microorganisms, culture media, and microorganisms to metabolize the plant materials, forming amino acids as a byproduct. Now, this contrasts with the commonly used chemical amino acid synthesis and protein hydrolysis, which use hair or feathers as the bulk of their starting material.